Sometimes when we stitch, there are height differences in between tiles. If you have a motorized Z in your microscope, then you can correct for this in the ZEISS ZenCore software. Let's share, and let's try this one now. Okay, so I can go to Tool, and I can add a focus correction. And I can tell it we want to do a software autofocus. And let me add in here the software autofocus. So I'm going to choose Smart and Auto, and you can choose how often it's going to run. So we can run it on our last stitch, or I can get rid of our last stitch. I'm going to delete that region. I'm going to create a new one where the change will be more apparent. Okay, so we've got 10x there. I'm going to start with this position, move up, extend it up here, extend it. Got a software autofocus set to go every tile. Press start. Looks like we're going to take 10 images with a software autofocus. The autofocus is going to run at each position and make sure it's sharp. Moving and scanning in Z at each position, and then it's going to tile them all together. Depending on how often you do the software autofocus, the longer your total stitch may take. It will appear sharper. There we go, about halfway done with this one. And we are moving in Z, finding the right spot, and moving to the next XY position. So it all appears sharp. After this is done, we'll take it into image processing, use it, run a shading correction if necessary. This is utilizing X, Y, and Z all together. More. Cool. Stitching. There we go. Everything appears sharp, even though it might be at different heights. Processing. And let's blend it. There it goes. Nice, smooth, easy. Using software autofocus to make sure your entire stitch is in focus across the tile region.